This is gonna be a good vegan meal. I mean, it's gonna have tomatoes, onions, spinach, peas. What else could you ask for? Hey you guys, in this video, we are gonna be making a yummy vegan meal loaded with lots of flavor and nutrients. We are making potato curry with cauliflower rice for the sides. It's yummy. This dish will keep you full. Hey, comment down below. What is your favorite vegan dish? I would love to know. So keep watching as we make this yummy meal. I'll leave the recipe in the description. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. So let's get on cooking. Okay guys, so let's get ready to start making this dish. So I got my saucepan ready and the stove on. It's at a medium low. And we're not using any olive oil today. We're going to be using some minced garlic to help us start off with, a little bit of water, and our onions that we cut up. So let's get to start. So we're getting our saucepan warm. Now we're going to be adding in our garlic. And then, like I always say in my cooking videos, if you know, you know. I'm not going to measure. So here we go. I'm just adding like 2 big ones of it. And we're going to let this saute until we can smell the flavor. So we're just going to get some of our onions. And let's just put it in there. I got my wooden spoon. I'm just going to mix it around. And I'm going to gradually add water, see if I need it. Since we're not using any oil and I don't want it to stick, so I'm just gradually adding water. Did you guys see my cute? Yes, isn't that the cutest? So just gradually adding some water here and there. So I'm going to keep this cup of water. So we're just going to let that saute for about a minute to smell the nice aroma of the onions and garlic. I think I can already smell it. Right? Okay, you guys, so now that the onions and garlic have been getting sauteed and I can smell it, it smells so good, we're going to get ready to 1 teaspoon of, I'm going to be using like 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. See how I measure, you guys? So we're going to get that mixed around too. And I'm making sure my stove is on medium to low. Don't want it to get too like burning hot. We're going to get ready to add in our tomatoes. So we're going to add our freshly washed these tomatoes. So we're going to use this. So you guys, we got the whole tomatoes in here, the tomato paste, the onions and the garlic, and I'm just going to start smashing them just a little. I'm giving you guys, showing you guys how it's looking now. Just lightly pressing them. See if I can get more. Here's a nice overview of what we're cooking so far. Okay, now that we got our tomatoes smashed and we're occasionally stirring it and we can smell the aroma, it smells good, you guys. It's time to get this meal more flavorful. We're gonna start adding in our potatoes. I'm using the small tomatoes right here. I'm gonna stir it. We're gonna add in some coconut milk. Did I tell you guys how much I like these type of cans where you could just pop it open? We're gonna add in this whole can of coconut milk, you guys. First I'm gonna do half and like stir it around, and then I'm gonna add in more half. So I'm just gonna go around like this. Mix it. Add in the rest. So yes, you guys, we're gonna get ready to add in the seasoning. Isn't my cat measuring cup, isn't it just the cutest? Okay, I'll stop. But so we're gonna be adding in, I just mixed together in the ground turmeric, the ground cumin. It's the star of the show. We use more cumin, and we're also using curry powder too as well. So I just mixed in all those together. Can we say spice? Yes, so like I like to do, I'm gonna just put a little in. Mix it. Here is our potato curry getting ready to be done, you guys. Mixing it. So let's just finish adding in some more of those seasonings, sprinkling it. And like you guys, I say, if you want to add some more, add some more. Less if you want to add less. flavors in there, you guys. Yes, you want to mix it real good. And that's going to be almost done, you guys, but we got to add in some more vegetables, you guys. For about 15 minutes, and we're going to check our potatoes to see if they're tender, if a fork can go through them. So we're going to make sure the potatoes are nice and tender, and we're going to cook this for about a medium to low for 15 minutes. So let's cover it up and get ready for the next step. The potatoes are soft and tender, you know, we poked it with the fork, and now we're going to get ready to add in some peas, you guys. So we got some peas here, thawed out frozen peas. Just going to add that in there. I'm telling you guys, this is making the whole house smell like delicious. I'm like, is it Thanksgiving? You know that Thanksgiving smell you get when you're cooking, and it smells just like the whole house smells just so yummy. We're also going to be adding in some fresh spinach, washed and ready for us to go. So I'm just going to add in as much as I like. We all know when you add in like a certain amount of spinach, you like, oh, I added in so much spinach, and then later on when you went to check it, it's like you get 2 pieces of spinach in there. So I'm just going to keep on adding some more. So here we go, you guys. We're going to wait for the spinach to wilt. But isn't this just beautiful already? Oh my. I can't wait to eat. See, you know what I said about just adding all that spinach? Now it looks like I only have like 2 spinaches in here, you guys. Okay, you guys, so instead of rice, I'm going to be using this green giant rice veggies. This is cauliflower rice. So instead of using rice, I'm just going to add in some more vegetables to my meal, and I'm going to be using this cauliflower rice. You just put it in the microwave. Okay, you guys, so that's how you make this simple, easy vegan dish with tons of vegetables. You got carbs, you got vegetables, and I'm telling you guys, it smells so yummy. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, positive vibes, and subscribe. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.